Hello you beautiful creatures, how the devil are you? I hope you're okay. If you're new here, my name is Lou, or Lucifer as my friends like to call me. By my friends I mean my Instagram account. I'm still really happy. You probably noticed that we are not in the bedroom today. Yay! We are outside. More specifically, we are in Skegness. More specifically, I sound like somebody else. What's that other YouTuber that does that? Anyway, we're at the natureland at Skegness for my birthday. Yay! And we're with this one as well. Ooh.
This one?
We're with this one as well. Say hi!
Hello!
So yeah, like, I haven't been here for about 6 years, have I? Longer than that. And Gareth surprised me with a trip to Skegness. Now, it probably doesn't seem great to you guys, but Skegness is actually really important to me because it's where my grandparents used to bring me when I was little during the summer holidays, and I just wanted to show you guys what we saw and what we were going to do. So we're going to do the Natureland, we're going to have a walk down the kind of pavilion area, and we're just going to explore and have a look around because, again, it's been ages since I've been here and I don't know where anything is. So yeah, I really hope you enjoy this vlog, guys, and we will see you around. Oh, and also we got alpacas. I'll show you the alpacas. So as you guys know, I really like alpacas. So we've got alpacas over here. Look at them. Lovely. Hi. They're like your actual scum. Oh. Look at Gareth over here. Being a nature photographer. He's laughing now. Might get a shaky shot, who knows? We'll have to see. Oh my god, that alpaca's proper staring you out. This is the most intense showdown that has ever happened in YouTube history, I feel. But yeah, like I said, we're literally going to show you around everywhere. I've already taken a few clips, so again, I really hope you enjoy the day with us, and yeah, let's have a fun time together.
Right. You reach into the top pocket of my bag.
Oh, why are you doing this to me? That's my job. Which bit?
Main pocket.
I see an envelope. Okay. Do you want me to return?
Yes.
Okay. What have you done? That's not fair. I did this the last time. Oh, it's another red panda.
That's why I said when the envelope came it was awkward. I ordered one and two arrived.
Okay. Am I looking on the back of it?
So, show the camera the...
Red panda. Yay.
What does it read on the back?
We hope you have... You got me a red panda experience? Sure.
We got the last one.
Are you serious? I can't hug you because you're holding technology, but thank you so much. When's it for?
November.
Oh my god. Thank you. Is that why you got really like funny with me when I said they were all like sold out and you're just like, ha, joke's on you. Actually, they're not. Thank you so much. Aww. So also, what's really fun about this specific park is, with it being at Skegness, it's literally on the seafront, and what they do is, if there are any sea lions, sea lions.
We don't have sea lions.
We don't have sea lions, just to clarify. If there are any seals, like baby seals that have washed up on the coast, they will actually take them to the centre and rehabilitate them to release them back into the wild. And I have got some footage to show you guys of the baby seals that have been picked up and they're currently being looked after. It is a little bit sad, but just be aware that they are being looked after and they're okay, and they're in a better position now than they would have been if they were left. So I'll pop that footage in there as well, but you can literally see, I'll show you. So this is the whole park. Well, not the whole park, like you can basically see So this is like the main seal enclosure over here. They've got a baby seal rearing enclosure over there, and then down here. So this wasn't here when I last came. So we've got some meerkats over here, which is really exciting. We love meerkats. And they're so used to people as well, it's really weird. They just get on with it. Like when Gareth was taking pictures of them, they just literally came up and they wanted to know what was going on. But yeah, so now what we're going to do is we are going to go into the reptile enclosure. Now at the moment you do have to wear your mask. We don't know how long it's going to be. No, it might be next week. Do we think it's next week?
Week on Monday.
Week on Monday, so a week on Monday. Well, you can't see me very well. There we go. So a week on Monday, we might not have to wear these anymore, but at the moment we do. So whilst you're outside and around the park, you don't have to wear this, but when you're inside here, you do. It's so nostalgic. I literally haven't been here for ages. It's just, look at it. Apparently there's a Chinese water dragon in there. Oh, there we go.
I've just been fed, but be careful and have a nice
Chinese water dragon.
What's in here?
Eggs.
I think that's crocodile.
Oh my god.
Okay. So, by the way, in this vlog, you're not going to see any spiders just because I'm terrified of them. But if you want to check out Gareth's vlog...
I'm not vlogging today.
Oh, he's not vlogging today. Never mind. But it's okay because you will see plenty of snakes. Oh, touched it. Sorry. There we go.
Look, it's that pole down.
So that was the Reptile House. What did you think?
Chaotic.
So the situation is, it's not big in there. It's really not big in there. Also, there's spiders in there, and I don't like spiders, which is weird because, you know, being a goth, you would have thought I would. However, I don't. And you can't really go in there with wheelchairs. So if you are thinking about coming here, just think about maybe what you do with your wheelchair whilst you're going to go into the Reptile House and whatnot. But yeah, it is nice to go in there. Like, it's been ages since I last went in there. It's cute, it's really cute. Don't go in there expecting like a long experience, because it's not. But yeah, I enjoyed it, apart from the chaos. There's literally so many people in there, oh my god. But it can't really be helped because obviously it's coming towards the summer holidays. Like, everyone's really excited, all the kids are excited to be out. It's Skegness as well, and that's what you're going to get. So if you are quite anxious like I am, maybe come at a quiet time. So we're here on Sunday, aren't we? Maybe come during the weekday. Is all I would say about like being anxious about quite crowded spaces and whatnot. But we're in the mini like restaurant kind of area right now. I'll show it to you super quick. Yeah, it's just literally a little restaurant. So what they do, it's really cute. They have a kiosk outside. You order from the kiosk outside, and you can say whether you want to eat outside or inside. We chose inside because it's really hot today. If anyone is from America watching this, you'd probably be like, you don't know what heat is. And yeah, it's really, really cute. It's really well priced as well. So we're literally going to have a snack here, and then we're going to go to the all-you-can-eat across the road, but we're going to go and do some other stuff before we do that. So yeah, we're literally going to have our food, and then we're going to carry on out there. We might get some feed for the alpacas. We might feed the alpacas and goats. I'm really scared that the goat is going to come out of its enclosure though. It's literally hanging on the side. So we'll see. We might be chasing the feral goat later. Who knows? So guys, you know how I ordered a chip butty? Did I tell them I ordered a chip butty? I did not. So I ordered a chip butty. And it's just arrived. Gareth literally just said, do you want bread with your chips? You know what? I'm not upset about that. It's just really funny. It's really, really funny. What did you get? You just got... It's a cob though, isn't it? Write down in the comments, is it a cob or a bap? And I hate that I've done this, because now the internet is going to explode. May the odds forever be in our favour. No, I know. I know. Oh God, don't eat their ear.
Yeah. Do you want to feed one? No?
I know. So, tip for feeding alpacas, keep your hand flat, because they will bite you. They've only got... They've only got the bottom jaw, but they can give you a little bit of a nip, can't they, Gareth?
Yeah.
And these alpacas are actually up for adoption, so you can adopt an alpaca for 50? 50. Whereas the seals are 75, I think. Oh, you're not as hungry, are you? Do you want more? Yeah, no. Bananas. So on a scale of 1 to 10, what did you think of Natureland?
I'll give that a 10.
Give that a 10? Ah, good.
In quality.
So situation is, we were just worried because they're not doing talks at the moment, but it's been okay. Like, we've really enjoyed it, haven't we?
Yeah.
I was going to take more footage of the animals, however, all the animals seem to be, how do I put this?
Fornicating.
They're Twitter-pated, and if you know what that is, that's from Bambi, and it means all of the animals are getting jiggy with it. And yeah, so I couldn't take any more footage because I was like, oh no, I can't show that to people. There is actually a shot of 2 butterflies getting friendly with each other in one of the shots that I put, so check that out. But yeah, we had a really lovely time. We're literally gonna go and get some food now, and yeah, we're just gonna have a wander around. We're probably gonna take you up the promenade with us as well, so I hope you join us for that. But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed the Natureland with us. And again, if you are a wheelchair user, please be mindful that all the inside attractions, they are a little bit difficult to get around, so you might want to be mindful of that. Also, if you're quite anxious like myself, maybe come on a quieter day, because it was, I mean, it wasn't horrendously busy, was it?
No,
it
was a bit crowded in the enclosed area.
Yeah, it was crowded in the enclosed areas. It was busy. It was busy at the start of the day, but it was fine for the rest of the day. So I hope that helps.